In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create companies from contacts in HubSpot. If you want HubSpot to save you time and keep your CRM more organized, this is a very useful setting to turn on. By enabling automatic company creation and association, HubSpot can create company records based on your contact data and link those records for you. This helps reduce manual work and makes it easier to keep contacts and companies connected correctly. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, go to the main dashboard and look for the settings area. Click on settings to open your account configuration options. From there, navigate to objects. This is where HubSpot lets you manage the behavior and setup of different record types like contacts, companies, deals, and more. Since we want to control how company records are created, the next step is to open the object dropdown and select companies. After selecting companies, look for the automation section. This is where HubSpot includes settings that help streamline how records are handled automatically in your CRM. In that section, find the option labeled Create and Associate Companies with Contacts and check the box to enable it. As soon as you turn that setting on, HubSpot will ask you to confirm the change. In the confirmation dialog, click Yes. This confirms that you want HubSpot to begin automatically creating company records and associating them with matching contacts when applicable. You also have an optional cleanup setting available here that can make this feature even more useful. Use the opt domain out of automatic association option if you want to exclude certain domains from this process. This is especially helpful for filtering out free email providers or other domains you don't want generating company records. Taking a moment to review this can help keep your database cleaner and prevent unnecessary or inaccurate company entries. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. That final step applies the changes and activates the automation. After saving, HubSpot will be able to automatically create and associate company records based on contact email domains, which can make your CRM much easier to manage over time. This is a simple setting, but it can have a big impact on data organization, especially if you're regularly importing contacts or capturing new leads. And that's it. You've now enabled automatic company creation from contacts in HubSpot, along with an optional way to keep your data cleaner from the start.